Poshmark is a leading social marketplace and online platform that specializes in buying and selling new and used fashion items, including clothing, shoes, accessories, and beauty products. Founded in 2011 by Manish Chandra, Poshmark has grown into a vibrant community-driven platform with millions of active users. Here's an overview of Poshmark. 1. Fashion-focused marketplace. Poshmark is primarily focused on fashion, catering to buyers and sellers interested in trendy clothing, shoes, accessories, and beauty products. It offers a wide range of brands and styles, from high-end designer labels to affordable fast fashion. 2. Social networking features. Poshmark incorporates social networking features that enable users to connect, follow, and engage with each other within the platform. Users can follow other members, share listings to their followers, leave comments, and participate in themed parties and virtual shopping events. 3. Seller-centric platform. Poshmark is designed to empower sellers to create their own online boutiques and showcase their personal style. Sellers can easily list items for sale using the Poshmark app, set their own prices, and interact with buyers through comments and offers. For listing format, Poshmark primarily uses a fixed-price listing format where sellers set a specific price for their items. Buyers can purchase items immediately at the listed price or make offers to negotiate with the seller. Poshmark also occasionally hosts Posh Parties, themed virtual shopping events, where sellers can share listings related to a specific theme or category. 5. Seller fees. Poshmark charges a flat commission fee of $2.95 for sales under $15 and a 20% commission fee for sales of $15 or more. The commission fee is deducted from the seller's earnings when a sale is made. Poshmark provides shipping labels for sellers to ship their sold items to buyers, with shipping costs covered by the buyer. 6. Buyer protection. Poshmark offers buyer protection policies to ensure safe and secure transactions. Buyers have the option to return items within a specified period if they are not as described or if they have any issues with their purchase. Poshmark provides refunds to buyers for eligible returns. 7. Mobile app. Poshmark is primarily accessed through its mobile app, available for both iOS and Android devices. The app provides a user-friendly interface for browsing, buying, and selling items, as well as engaging with the Poshmark community. 8. Community engagement. Poshmark has a strong sense of community, with users actively engaging in sharing, liking, and commenting on listings. The platform encourages social interaction and collaboration among its members, fostering a sense of belonging and camaraderie. 9. Sustainability and resale. Poshmark promotes sustainability by encouraging the resale of pre-owned fashion items, contributing to the reduction of textile waste and environmental impact. Many users appreciate the opportunity to shop for unique and affordable fashion finds while supporting sustainable practices. 10. Expansion and growth. Poshmark has experienced significant growth and expansion since its inception, with plans to further scale its business and offerings. It continues to innovate and introduce new features to enhance the user experience and solidify its position as a leading fashion marketplace. Overall, Poshmark provides a dynamic platform for fashion enthusiasts to buy, sell, and connect with others in a social and community-driven environment. With its focus on empowerment, sustainability, and innovation, Poshmark has become a go-to destination for fashion lovers worldwide. Want to stay informed? Like and subscribe for more.